Good morning guys! Good morning, good morning! Ayan. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ang video namin ngayon ay magta-travel kami kala Kambal. Kasi where are you going? Magandang araw sa inyong lahat again. Ang video namin ngayon ay road trip kami kila Kambal. Ayan, kasama ko sila ngayon. Can you say hi, Michael? Matthew? Can you say hi? Ayan, ayan.
Hi.
Hi, hello guys! Good morning! Say hi, good morning! Ayan. Punta kami ngayon sa city at stay awake ang driver. Ayan. Magpipick up muna kami ng coffee. Coffee is life. Ayan. Kasi may nagbigay sa akin ng free coffee tickets. So, ito. Bili kami para enjoy habang nagda-drive. Matatapos na ang Easter break nila Kambal, kaya ayan, sulit-sulitin. Travel kapag may chance. Right, Kambal? Mapapasok sila. When are you going back to school again? When are you going back to school again?
We go back to school on Monday.
You're going back to school on Monday. Yeah. Kaya pasyal kapag may time, kapag may chance. Coffee tayo, coffee. Tagal ang fila. Hi, good morning. Pwede pa to?
Pwede pa ba? Hindi na. Oo, it's not.
Okay. Thank you. Ayan guys. Nakuha ko na yung coffee ko, pero itong ticket expired. Pero itong ticket expired, kaya hindi na nagamit. Pero thank you pa rin sa nagbigay. Thank you so much. Sayang naman yan. Free pa naman. Masarap at mas masarap sana kung yung libre. Shopping sila Kambal na what you gonna buy here? Bibili daw si Kambal ng Nintendo. What? Nintendo Switch. Pasyal kami sa mall kila Kambal. Okay, Michael, where are you? Sige, take a photo. Good ka lang. Uy, yes, let's go here first. Punta ng mall, tapos lakad-lakad. Ayan. Here, I think. Hanap na guys. Pagpupunta ako sa mga perfume, wala daw time. Pero pag dito, ayan. Tagal-tagal nilang mag-stay sa pintuan. What's in there? Yan ang favorito daw. Ayan guys, tapos na kaming nag-shopping. Ayan. So, akas nakabili ako ng ganito para pag sila kambal, pag nagva-vlog, pag nagda-drive kami, doon kami gumagawa ng nagkukwentuhan. Kaya, ayan. Mahal-mahal, no? Ayan. Para silang nagsasalita, ako na magda-drive. Tapos, itong selfie stick. Ayan, pabili ako ng isa. Pangatlo na to kasi pinuputol ni Kambal. Kaya, ayan. Okay, yung maling. Next is, where are we going now next? Next is, kasi ayan, nabutan na kami ng alas 12 dito sa mall. Nabutan na kami ng alas 12 sa mall, kaya ayan, punta na kami sa superstore, sa grocery. Okay. Okay. Alright. Mamamalingki na kami bago uwi. Ayan. Ganun. Pasyal-pasyal pa pag may time, moling-moling. Okay, yes.
Is my clothes on here in here?
No.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to superstore.
Is that a superstore?
Let's go to superstore.
Is that for superstore?
Then let's go home. Oh, let's go to your sister's. Okay. What is good morning in Filipino? Magandang umaga. Okay. Magandang umaga. Yung good afternoon. Good afternoon. Magandang hapon. Oh, parking. Magandang hapon. Oh my God, what happened there? Magandang umaga. Magandang hapon. Oh my God, we are not parking. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are again. And we got a very nice parking here.
I can get the bag.
Okay, get the bag. Can you drink water before we go? Yan. Nice. Okay, go. Tagatulak si Matthew. Okay, let's go buy sweet potato. Kamote slime. Ayan, bili ako ng kamote. Ayan. Kamote for life. Okay, go get the plastic. Ayan, guys. Paramutak man timulak. Tapos avocado. Avocado. Yan, mura dito yung avocado. Kaya bili ako ng marami. What's that? Do you like avocado?
Can I get two?
Yeah. B6 na. Bili nga ako dito na Opo with sardines. Ayan. Ano yung product of Dominican Republic.
And 7.
What's that? Ayan. Michael. Ayan. Yung favorito niya. Gustong gusto niya ang papaya. Orange kaya sila ang nag Okay, put it in your cart. Ang paborito kong okra. Make it fast. You put it here and then, okay. Ayan. Natututo na silang kumain ng gulay. Gustong gusto nila ang gulay. Kaya, what else in your list? What else?
Blueberry.
Strawberry,
Blueberry.
blueberry? It's okay, the blueberry. Next is fish.
This.
Fish?
Oh,
That's it? Okay, let's go. What else?
Carrots.
Carrots, we have carrots.
And lettuce.
Lettuce, we bought little. Okay, let's go.
Cucumber.
Let's go, let's go.
How's the list doing?
So far. Look at the card. That's so green. Okay, yan. Ang cart nila Michael at Matthew. Okay, fruits and vegetables. Very good. Okay, here. Now let's go to get a fish. Fish. Here. Ayan. 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 Salmon para sa cholesterol. Okay. Is this salmon? Oh yeah. Okay, let's go.
No.
No? What then? Salmon? Yeah. Pinakamahal ang gusto niya. Okay, let's get the tilapia. Ito. Mackerel. Here. Get one for this one. Mackerel. Yan, mackerel. Para sa sardinas natin. Here, take this one. Itong mackerel, maganda ito sa... Here. More. Two, here. More. How about this one? Do you like this?
That shells.
Yeah. I like the oyster. Yeah. How about this one?
The oyster. Okay. Let me say something obvious. You know oyster.
Okay, give me the basket. Give me the basket. Give me the basket.
What's the basket?
You like this?
Yeah. I mean, no.
No, why not?
Oh my god. This is sad. What the hell?
Well, my free and ready for summer. Ayan. Nagutom ang bulog. Where are you going? Popeye. Ayan. Popeye din. Okay. Popeye. Let's go. Bisin na bisin ang Michael and Matthew. things. But okay. Let's go eat. To Manang's.
Car?
No, at Manang's. At the condo. Wait. Oh. Now, are you happy for your Popeye? Are you happy with your Popeye?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay then. That's it. Ayan, pauwi na kami. Wala na. Wali. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go home now.
We're going to
Let's go pick up your sister, then let's go home to...
with my sister.
Yeah.
Who is it? Mom, is it?